Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a Google review into a social media post, or how to take a testimonial and then be able to post that on multiple different places on social media. If that's going to be Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, you rip that uh, review off your Google profile or wherever they left the review, and then you can repurpose that as a testimonial for other social media platforms. So it's a great way to show your 5-star reviews to other customers and just eliminate some of those objections they might have by letting them know other people love using your service. So I'm going to show you how to build one real simply, and I will tell you a little bit about the one that I made from, I believe I made this one from scratch or close to from scratch. And this one we built for a client. He does business coaching. So this guy, this is a fake name, fake picture, but you get the idea. Interviewed 6 of the coaches before coming to a decision to work with Mark. Been very happy with my choice. Mark has been a great talent. Give me advice, etc., etc. Highly recommend. Great. So we're going to post this on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. So how do we do this? So I'm using Canva. If you're familiar with Canva, which I really hope you are, it's a great platform. If you don't know about it, you will love using it. It's pretty much free to use, but the paid version is definitely worth it. I definitely recommend getting that. They don't pay me to say that, even though I wish they did. And it's a great platform if you're a small business. So to get started, you can type in review at the top, go to designs, and you want to make sure you're in this square box. Just make sure you're doing like a regular social media post, Instagram post, etc. So we're looking for Instagram post templates, and I'm going to type in Google review or review. I'm just going to do review, and then it will give you a bunch of different options to do. So you can just click one, go in here, paste your text. Hey, this guy was great, and then change your hashtag whatever, change the name, change your logo. Good to go. Post it. You can totally do that. So I made, but Canva templates are pretty seen throughout the place. So if you want to kind of do your own little special sauce to it, you can always edit it, change the stars to a different color, change it to your logo colors, whatever you want to do. I made this one from, I guess this template, one of these templates. I'm not sure which template I made this one from, but it looks pretty similar to something like this. Let's see. Yeah, kind of similar to this. I did change it up a little bit, and it's really simple. So get your font, put it in here, put what you want, put your name at the bottom, or your web address, name, how many stars I left you, and then you have your picture. You can put some just random abstract stuff in the background just to make it feel like it has a little bit more depth. You can add shadows, things like that. I'm not going to go into all that, but very simple. For the basic person, any of these templates are great. And if you want to edit the picture per se, you can go up to edit photo, and actually that's probably not the best way to do it. Let me show you. So I would just go ahead and delete this, and then you can delete the image, and then you can shove what other image that you have into this guy, and then there you go. So that's a really simple. If you wanted to change maybe the frame to maybe a square or something like that, you can do that as well. Just go over to elements and type in frame, and then it will give you a bunch of different types of frames that you can use to put any kind of photos you want into there, and then they'll automatically pull exactly what you want from your picture into that. So I believe we had some pictures available. Yes. And you put your picture in there, and then you're good to go. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed learning how to create a Google review and put it on all of your social media platforms. This is like I said, a great way to get rid of any objections your customers may be facing, and then also just let them know that other people are enjoying your product. So if they're a little hesitant, or if you have a higher ticket item, this is a great way to kind of eliminate some of those objections. I did this for a business, or for a coaching client, and they thought it was awesome. So okay, that's the end of this. The link to this template will be in the description if you want to click on it and save it to your own and edit it the way you want to. There's a couple other things in here as well. Feel free to take a look at those and some other social media posts, and enjoy. All right, thanks.